to make one. We are going to make cinnamon buns. And I'm just melting some butter over here.
You might need to move that, Hannah. Well, anyway, while Hannah's doing that, we are here today. This is the cream thing, or the cinnamon stuff that's inside the buns. As you can see there.
You can,
There.
if you don't have any cinnamon sugar, then you can get sugar, normal sugar with
The
cinnamon
ingredients we used were
powder.
This is cinnamon sugar, but it says it the
And
wrong
then
way
we
around. And then you got
some brown kind of sugar thingy
It's made from cane syrup.
made from cane syrup. This is a blend over here.
The baking consultant.
Yeah.
still. That's quite awesome.
And we'll
And
show you
how much butter?
We'll show you
How much butter?
half the butter.
100 grams.
100 grams of butter.
Well, Kim,
We'll go see to.
the butter that's
Okay, we're
melting.
gonna go watch to the butter that's melting. It's not smelting, Hannah. And you
No,
also probably will
it is
need
almost.
self-raising flour. You can't see it. So.
Because it's a quick one.
Okay. Okay, let's go over this. See you guys in a second.
Here's some melted butter. It's still melting. And then the cream again.
Yeah. So we're back here with the lid. We need the lid.
And then
Let me just play with the cream. And that's just.
Hvis du slår i sukker for smøg, bare lad det stå. Og så skal du slå et æg ud her i.
An egg.
One egg.
Okay, we're gonna need one egg, so like that. Put it in there.
one egg coming up if we can reach it. Give me an egg.
And you whisk it with a little sugar.
Normal sugar?
Yeah.
We're gonna whisk one egg with normal sugar wherever the normal
Two spoonfuls of normal
Hannah,
sugar.
they see you. They see you. You have to be standing up.
sugar. This is salt.
You need 2 pinches of salt in it too.
You should have told me that. How much
pinches.
sugar?
2 spoonfuls.
No, 2 pinches of sugar.
spoonfuls.
Salt.
2 pinches of salt.
This much?
A little more.
In here?
Yeah, a little more. Yeah. And then 2 spoonfuls of sugar.
Hannah, don't push me.
2 spoonfuls of
Hannah.
sugar.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe 2
You're
because
so
it's a
low.
small spoon. And then 1 egg.
And where's the
let's
egg?
get the egg. Hey, Hannah.
Stop
Let me.
it!
Hello.
I did nothing.
And then you whisk it until it gets.
Yeah, you did most of it. Anyway. So guys, now we're gonna whisk this thing.
Whisk it till it's white.
Yeah, okay, we'll whisk it till it's white. Okay, bye.
They mostly see your face all the time.
They can't see it because of your face.
Okay. This is how you do it. This is the... Kim, we're gonna spill. We're gonna spill.
You've already spilled. Anyway. Okay, that was that, and I'm gonna do this. And you talk to them. You haven't talked to them for like the whole video. Come on. You talk to them.
Look at my hands. And do they feel like my earlobes? Squishy a little bit, but they need to be rolled in the flour. So
I know an easy way to do that, but
dough you can see. But what? This dough is not all we're gonna use because for one, this is not even enough.
Do you think they're that dumb?
No.
Og så skal du rulle det ud.
And then
Du
we're
skal
gonna.
lige hælde lidt mel på bordet, og så skal du rulle det ud.
Then we're gonna have to
Og I skal også huske at tænde for ovnen.
We're going to
Roll it in.
put some
Can you
flour.
push this up a little bit? Not some.
Some flour.
Og I skal tænde ovnen på 180 grader.
180.
Yeah.
But then this can't be on it.
Yeah,
Leave it in.
The stove needs to go into a hot stove.
100 and what?
80.
One.
And you need, yeah, you already have a plate in there.
Do we need? Where's the rolling pin? It's somewhere down there. It's somewhere under the.
I have one.
Under the. Oh, okay.
So let's push it a little bit more. Okay, guys, and
Put your hands with flour. You need hands with flour to do this. That's why you don't need gloves.
Come on. I'm not rolling it right now, okay?
Give me the rolling pin.
No. No! Let me do something. Let me do something. My goodness.
We need some flour on this.
Anyway. Hannah.
Do you know how to use a real rolling pin?
Yes, I have. We made. What do you call it?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Not pizza. I mean at church.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Og så bare komme mel på pinden, hvis det klister fast.
Flour on the rolling pin.
I know I am, but I'm gonna get it off first.
We have
Yeah. Okay. I got
the
the roll pin.
dough.
You're gonna need a rolling pin for this, so me.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. It's very messy here.
Hannah, wait. Hannah, you can't just push me.
You have to have one big piece of dough before you roll it out.
Okay. They can't really see the dough.
Yeah, okay, here.
It's a little too much flour in now. We need a little of heated water.
Heated water, I'll go get that.
Just out of the, yeah. Just the same temperature as your fingers.
Is this the same temperature as my finger?
Wait, let me just.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Excuse me, Kim. Excuse me.
Vi har samlet vejen.
Skal vi
Det er
have
lidt
så
for
meget?
tør.
Yeah.
Er der mere?
Hvis du giver mig den der, så skal jeg nok lige se, om jeg kan redde den her dej, for den er alt for tør. Jeg skal have vand i.
Okay. Så meget vand?
Nej, slet ikke. En lille smule. Det må ikke være for varmt, fordi så slår det bagepulveret ihjel.
Er det for varmt?
Ja, jeg tror det er fint.
I wanna roll it.
Yeah, but you have to wait till the dough is ready for it.
Don't
Otherwise it'll
push
just
me.
stick onto the rolling pin.
will be back when we're done with this. Okay guys, so we're back in here and I'm just gonna try and get some flour on my rolling pin because I'm rolling this. Okay guys, so I'll show you. So, okay, look. Done, that's it. Wait. No, you can't see it. So, okay, that's it. And, yeah, I can show you when it's all stuck together and mixed up. But we can show you this.
It's not ready yet.
Yeah, we can just show them. So that's how it's looking.
It shouldn't fall
And we'll
apart.
be back when they're both ready. Okay, we're back and... Look at that.
Læg noget rigtig clear. Så.
No. Yeah, and now we're going to put some water.
That's just because it's a little dry dough. Så tager du noget af det der.
And now we take
It's the
some
spread.
of this spread.
And then you spread it out with a knife.
There, we got a knife.
Ligesom hvis du smører et tykt lag smør på brødet.
Okay, let's do this thing.
Så kan kniven tage i der.
Jeg har en kniv.
Ja, og så smører du et tykt lag. Så skal der meget mere end det der.
Så tyk. Så tyk. Så tyk. Okay,
Det skal ud over hele pladen.
Is this cheaper or more expensive than buying them?
If you bake a lot, it's cheaper. And it should also be better. Because you don't have
Kan vi også lave chokoladesnegle?
Ja, det kan man godt, hvis man har chokolade. Så kan man komme chokolade i stedet for kanel.
Kim, har vi chokolade?
Nej.
Vi har Alpenberg.
Ja, det
Ja, det duer ikke. Det er
Vi
fint.
har tommelchokolade.
Spread. Og når det hele er spredt godt ud, så ruller du dem sammen.
Men de lille så.
Og de hæver jo. De bliver jo større, når de bliver bagt.
Self-rising
Men skal
flour.
vi... Ja,
Ja, det skal du bagefter.
ja efter.
Men du skal...
Men lige, jeg vil gerne bare... Okay. We'll be back when both of them are done this time.
Make like a small...
Okay guys, now we've made all of these.
Do I have to put jam in
Those
before
are
I put it in
tiny.
the oven?
Yeah, one's in the middle. So, yeah, that was how to make those. And we'll put them in the oven. How long do we have them in the oven?
10 minutes.
Yeah, so you have them in the oven 10 minutes and then they're done and then you can put them in your mouth. So guys, that was it for today, and my sister maybe has something to tell you guys.
Okay,
There was this girl, 10 years old.
next time we're back is tomorrow.
Or the day after that. But
Her mom telling her
And
hopefully we're back tomorrow so we can
home for Christmas because
make another video. Hopefully I can make a new video on Nerf time with the Apollo.
And then we...
Kim, can you show them the platter?
Platter.
Yeah, and that's all of those.
No longer have a home.
Yeah.
So don't come
That was it for today. My sister.
Oh, and we're gonna make a little cake for my dad.
Yeah, so that was it for today. That was
the
cooking
ordinary way.
with my sister.
Yeah,